This is a quick tutorial on how to use the Adobe Spark Post app. It's located on your self-service app on your iPad. Once you log in and get everything started, you're going to want to create a flyer. In this case, I'm going to search in the search bar a thank you flyer. There are many to choose from. These are all different styles and different colors. And once you find one that you like, you can choose one. Or you can really start from scratch if you like. So in this case, I chose this coral color thank you note. I chose it because I like the angel wings and the simplicity of it. So you're going to want to click on the text boxes and replace what you see to suit what you want. Here I'm creating a thank you cafeteria staff flyer, and I am resizing the wings and the halo because I want to write some words. In this case, I'm writing for providing us with healthy meals every weekday. Now, I don't expect you to write exactly what I write. I want you to come up with your own words. And now I'm going to add an icon. Icons are simple drawings, and you can do a search for whatever you want. It could be a heart. In this case, I chose food. I thought it would be appropriate since it's for the cafeteria staff. And I'm resizing it and centering it on the top because that's where I like it. Now I'm going to save it. Actually, I'm going to print it first. Now, if you have a color printer, that works great. And then you would just take it directly to Andrew's. Now, you're going to want to save it to your photo album because I want you to upload it to Google Classroom that way. So I have another example of a thank you flyer that I created just so that you can get an idea that there are just endless ideas out there. So you're going to want to save your image to your camera roll on your iPad. Then you're going to open up Google Classroom. Locate your class, locate the assignment, and upload your work. You're going to add an attachment, and you're going to pick it from your photo album. Here I'm uploading the first one, and I'm going to go ahead and upload the second one. Now, you are only suggested to make one flyer, that's all I'm asking. So both are uploaded. You want to turn it in, say yes. Make sure that both files are there. And then what you're going to do finally is add a new slide to your journal because this is another activity that we are doing just to keep record of the times that we're in and what kind of stuff that you've been asked to do for our class. So I opened up my journal. I'm adding another slide. I'm going to label it so I know what it is. Thank you, cafeteria staff flyer. And then I'm going to date it because when you are journaling, you always want to date it so you can remember in the future. Now I'm going to upload both images of my flyers that I created. And that's it.